Imagine a car that perfectly blends luxury with raw power and adds a dash of futuristic tech. The 2024 BMW XM promises just that, and we've got our hands on one. Will it live up to the hype or leave us wanting more? Dive into today's review and discover every nook and cranny of this beast. You won't want to miss this deep dive. It's a game changer. If you want the latest updates on all things cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and join our community. What's new for the 2024 BMW XM? The 2024 BMW XM includes updated safety features as part of its standard offerings, particularly the Highway Assistant Driver Assist package. Additionally, there's a more powerful XM Label Edition. In terms of design, many elements remain consistent, from its slim LED headlights to its prominent kidney grills and the shiny surfaces that easily attract dirt. The XM modifies the design of the X7, making it look sharper and more dynamic. Some design details might be polarizing, and the interior too has some elements that could be debated. The dashboard is majorly digital, but sometimes the bright lights from above and certain trim choices can seem excessive. For instance, what's presented as tobacco brown leather on the dash doesn't appeal to everyone. The XM's engine is quite impressive. It has a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine with 644 horsepower and a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. It also has an all-wheel drive system that focuses on performance. However, the added hybrid feature doesn't seem perfect. Its electric range of 31 miles isn't too exciting, and it's frustrating that the electric mode turns off when you accelerate fully. The XM is quick, going 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds and is stable at high speeds. But on regular roads, it feels heavy and its ride isn't always smooth. It seems a bit too complex, especially when you consider that BMW has other fully electric options. The XM comfortably seats 5 people and has extensive safety features. However, its trunk space isn't very big for carrying lots of items. The storage area in the back is quite small, but on the bright side, they provide a stylish bag for the hybrid charging cable. How much does the 2024 BMW XM cost? The 2024 XM costs $159,995. It has features like temperature-controlled front seats, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, options of 22 or 23-inch wheels, wireless connectivity for Android and Apple phones, a place to charge your phone without wires, and an automatic back door. The more powerful XM Label version is priced at $185,995 and has a 738 horsepower engine. Styling. Is the BMW XM good-looking? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. While the overall shape is okay, some parts of the design seem overdone or not well planned. The inside looks great, but the outside design has some questionable choices. The XM is a modified version of the BMW X7 SUV, made shorter and lower. This change makes the windows appear smaller and emphasizes its big wheels, which can be 22 or 23 inches. The X7 has a more traditional SUV look, while the XM looks more compact and lacks some of the elegance of its bigger counterpart. A standout feature is the large grills on the front, highlighted with LED lights, and it also has noticeable sensors for safety features. At the rear, the XM has 4 exhaust pipes. BMW deserves praise for its color options. The XM comes in vibrant colors like violet, green, brown, and red. It's as if BMW used the colors other German brands had forgotten about, and many of them look great on the XM's compact and bold design. However, some design details can be distracting. For instance, there's a thick decorative strip running from the front door to the back roof pillar. If you choose a gold coating for this strip, it might clash with some paint colors like the beautiful marine blue. The car's side edges have shiny plastic parts that easily show dirt, especially after driving through water. The unique door handles have a design feature that can accidentally catch onto things like belt loops. The XM looks better on the inside. The ceiling has a diamond pattern suede material, but you can't swap it for a glass roof. There's LED lighting around the edges, which can make the interior feel like a fancy car you'd rent for special occasions. The dashboard has modern designs similar to other BMWs. However, there's a mix of colors and materials that can be a bit much. For example, near the driver's side air vent, there are different materials like metal, black trim, and several types of leather. The brown leather on the dashboard resembles cheap material. Some people said the XN looks cool, but opinions might vary. Performance. The XN's hybrid engine is great on highways, but can be a bit frustrating in city driving. It gets good marks for speed and comfort, but there are some caveats. Every XM comes with an all-wheel drive system that has different modes for various road conditions, like normal driving, sporty driving, and sandy terrains. Additionally, there's a special feature that adjusts power in the rear wheels, making the car turn corners better. This is especially helpful for a car of its size. How fast is the BMW XM? The XM's engine is complex. It combines a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine with an electric motor powered by a battery. This combination produces 644 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. With an 8-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive that focuses more on the rear wheels, the XM can speed up to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds and has a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour. But if you choose the M Driver's package, the top speed goes up to 168 miles per hour. For 2024, there's a version called the XN Label, previously known as Label Red. It's even more powerful, producing 738 horsepower, accelerating to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, and reaching up to 175 miles per hour. Both versions can drive up to 31 miles using only the electric battery and can go as fast as 87 miles per hour in electric mode. Also, there's a special sound designed by the famous composer Hans Zimmer for the electric mode. Comfort and quality. BMW makes great SUVs, and the XM is a luxurious version of one of their best, the X7. However, the XM has less space but is more luxurious. Even though the XM scores high for comfort and practicality, the X7 or the X5 might be better options for many situations. Inside the XM, the front seats have many adjustments for comfort and are made of leather. They can also be cooled or heated. But the side supports of the seats are so big that some people might find it a bit tricky to get in and out. Also, for those with a broader build, the seats might feel a bit tight around the thighs. The XM is convenient with spaces for your coffee, keys, and phone. It even has a USB port and an old-fashioned cigarette lighter. The back seats are very comfortable, making it easy for passengers to relax or even take a nap. They have great legroom and can recline nicely. There are even pillows to add to the comfort. However, these seats can't be adjusted with power controls. People sitting in the back also have USB ports to charge their devices, hidden behind sliding covers on the front seats. It would have been fun if those covers hid something surprising, but they don't. The XM has storage space of 18.6 cubic feet behind the back seats. When you fold the rear seats, this space increases to 67.3 cubic feet. However, because the storage area is wide but not very deep, some items might not be completely hidden. Interestingly, the XM comes with a fancy bag to store its charging cable. This bag has a quilted design and a gold zipper. It looks like a trendy accessory that might be popular among stylish city dwellers. The bag is a mix of luxury and a nod to being environmentally conscious, much like the XN itself. Fuel economy. The XN's hybrid engine gets an 8 for being efficient. It can go up to 31 miles using just the electric battery. On a flat road in good weather, we even got over 40 miles on a full charge. That means it used the battery very efficiently. However, once the battery is used up, the car's fuel efficiency is not so great, giving only 14 miles per gallon. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, rates it at 73 miles per gallon when combining electric and gas use. The car's battery can be fully charged in just over 3 hours using a standard charging outlet, thanks to its fast onboard charger. And that wraps up our comprehensive review of the 2024 BMW XM. What do you think about this luxurious beast? Drop your thoughts and comments below. If you found this review helpful and want more of such insights, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Till next time, drive safe and stay curious.